Alright, now we are looking at figure 386. And 386, we are looking at this arrowhead right there, and that arrowhead says that the biggest arc is a radius of 2 1/4. Then I'm looking at this arrowhead, and it's telling me the smallest circle is a diameter of 1 3/4. And obviously, at this bottom letter down here, 5 1/2, is from center point to center point of both of these circles. So we're going to start off by drawing two 2 1/4 inch radius circles. So let's go to AutoCAD. I'm going to draw a circle with a radius of 2.25, so I do not have to hit D-enter or anything. It asked me for the radius already. 2.25. It's kind of small, so I'm going to zoom in on it by rolling my middle mouse button. I'm going to touch the outside of my circle, which gives me the center point, and it says my center point to center point was 5 1/2. I will draw another circle with a radius of 2 1/4. And then I've got two other smaller circles on the inside, which were diameters of 1 3/4. A diameter, D-enter, 1.75. I can now erase that line out. I will draw a line from the top quadrant to the top quadrant. If your pink box quadrants are not showing up, you right click on OSnap, go to settings, and make sure your quadrant button right here is checked. If your quadrant button is checked, you're good. From quadrant to quadrant, draw a line from quadrant to quadrant. The last thing we have to do is trim out these inside circles or inside arcs. Modify, trim. It asks you what objects do you want to select. I'm going to select everything on the screen going this direction. It still asks me what objects there are to select. There is nothing else to select, so I will right click, or you can hit enter on the keyboard. Then it says what objects do you want to trim out. Well, if I select this one and I select this one, my drawing is now complete, and that is figure 386.